Okay, guys, this is the news listener by Angelo, and today is May 28, 2025. This is the second video for today. And breaking po, si Arnie Teves, arestado siya sa Timor Leste. Kung natatandaan nyo, last time na aresto din siya. Kaso nga lang, hindi pinayagan ng Timor Leste Court ang pagkuha sa kanya. So nakalaya siya at yun na nga, just today, hours ago, inaresto siya ulit, I think sa bahay niya to eh. Okay? So panoorin natin 10 seconds lang tong video, okay, na kita nyo kinukuha siya ng otoridad. Okay? So panoorin natin. Yun. Okay. Sabi dito, expelled lawmaker Arnolfo Teves Jr. was arrested Tuesday night in his residence in Delhi, Timor-Leste. His son, Axel Teves, confirmed in social media. Okay, Teves, who was the third district representative in Negros Oriental, is currently said country after being tagged as the mastermind in the slay of the governor Roel Digamo in 2023. Kung natatandaan nyo, na alleged mastermind daw siya sa pagpatay sa isang governor doon sa kanilang lugar. Actually, nangyari yon tapos na CCTV pa nga eh. Ang daming namatay kasi halos ang mga nakasakay doon sa sasakyan ay parang mga police. Okay? And kung nakikita nyo, yung pagpatay kay governor, halos parang fully trained yung
First,
pagka ano sa kanya, pag-execute ng plan, pagpasok ng compound. Kasi ang daming tao, I think, I don't know kung anong nangyayari doon. Okay? Kasi yung may mga tao na damay doon sa pag pagpaslang kay Governor Roel Digamo, di ba? So, papakita ko ulit yung information. So punta tayo sa okay. Anyway, ito. Okay? So, paunawa po sa mga manonood. Okay? Violent and graphic po yung mangyayari dito. Okay?
A cameraman for a local cable television station in Negros Oriental narrowly escapes death on the day Governor Roel Digamo was killed. According to an Inquirer report, cameraman Reynaldo Butch Tepase was supposed to meet with Digamo.
Yun, daming tao dito tapos pumasok yung may mga baril. Okay?
March 4 for their recording of a weekly show of the governor. The report states that Tepase was smoking by his parked motorcycle some 15 meters away from the compound's gate when he saw 3 vehicles arrive. He then saw several people in military uniform, all armed with high-powered assault
Grabe, no? High-powered.
rifles, get off the vehicles and enter the compound. Sound of gunfire then rang out inside the compound. Tepase was quoted as saying in the report. He then found himself inside a drainage canal near where he parked his motorcycle. Tepase said he saw the vehicles leaving in haste after the gunman shot a volley of fire into
Imagine nyo, yung nakikipag-usap pa lang yung tao,
out inside the compound.
yun o, siyang inuna ng gunner na to. Grabe. 'Di ba? Now, sabi ng anak ni Axel, ni Arnie Teves, kinidnap daw. Okay? Okay? Kasi wala daw silang mapakitang dokumento na dapat i-aresto. Okay? So, ito yung news from GMA. At sabi dito, uh, allegedly no warrant or other document shown during the arrest. O basta-basta lang daw kinuha. Okay? And yung pagpatay daw kay Digamo ay dininay niya daw. Pero yung mga gunner na uh, I think na sumuko last time, eh sinabi na siya rin, tapos binawi din nila. So, yung pagkabawi nila ay parang um, hindi mo maintindihan kasi sila yung nasa sasakyan at at nagano sila agad, nag-surrender. Eh, kasi I think na-corner ata sila ng mga police doon eh. Yon. So, at sabi dito, we are held against our will. They are not letting me go, sabi ni Teves doon sa video. Okay? So, the DOJ reiterated that it's been prepared to bring Teves home. Kasi yung korte natin dito sa DOJ, humahanda na sila ng ah, hindi pala humahanda. Actually, nagtatrabaho sila together with Timor-Leste para mapauwi si Arnie Teves pabalik sa bansa para harapin niya naman yung nangyari kay Governor, di ba? So kung wala siyang kasalanan, bakit ka naman magtatago sa ibang bansa, di ba? So gaya ng ginawa ni ex human rights lawyer Harry Roque. Okay, and then I believe yun na yun. Sabi ng anak niya ni Arnie eh parang kinidnap daw eh wala daw warrant or whatsoever, 'di ba? So, yun. Yun ang nangyari sa kanya and let's see what will be will be more developments sa kasong ito. Okay? So thank you guys for listening. This is Angelo again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.